Intersectionality is understanding how different parts of someone's identity converge. Someone may be a woman, they also may be Black, they also may identify as LGBTQ, for example. And that's at the intersection of all their different identities and affiliations. And it's really important we consider this when we look at gender and pay disparities in the workplace. I've worked with many women who are in technology, so they're in male-dominated fields to begin with, and then they may have another marginalized identity, a Black woman or an Asian woman, for example. And in that case, they face multiple barriers, not just because of their gender, but also because of their race. I've seen really unfortunate situations happen where women of color are not promoted and their male counterparts are, even though their male counterparts don't have the same credentials or the same performance reviews that they do. Workplaces bear a lot of responsibility in creating more equitable situations for women of all type and people of all backgrounds and colors. But we can take control and we can move faster than the system can as a whole. And so I think we also have a responsibility to ourselves to do what we can do to improve our situation, not only for us, but for other people.